Students, the next topic is motion. You are already familiar with these terms. Number one, speed. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken. Now next is the different types of speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed is that when the object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Number two, variable speed. When the object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Number three, average speed. Average speed means total distance upon total time taken. Fourth term is new for you, instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed means speed of an object at any particular instant of time. Means when the time interval is very small. Its formula is speed v is equal to limit delta t approaches to 0 delta x upon delta t. Listen to me carefully. Delta x is the small displacement in a small time interval delta t. Now you put the condition, means limit delta t approaches to 0, means time interval to measure the speed is very small. Then that speed is called instantaneous speed. Now the next term is velocity. You are familiar with this term. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Velocity can be positive, can be zero or negative, but speed can't be negative. Similarly, you can learn the definition of uniform velocity, variable velocity, average velocity, instantaneous velocity. You are familiar with this term also, acceleration. The rate of change of velocity of an object with time is called acceleration. Means acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. The different types of acceleration is when the velocity, number one is uniform acceleration. When the velocity changes by equal amounts in equal intervals of time is called uniform acceleration. Variable acceleration means velocity changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time. Average acceleration means total change in velocity upon total time taken. Instantaneous acceleration means when you measure the velocity at a given time interval, means time interval to measure the speed is very small. Students, these are the numericals based upon velocity and acceleration with the help of differentiation. Like the position of an object is x is equal to a plus bt square. The values of a and b are given. We are going to find velocity at t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2 seconds. Instantaneous velocity is equal to dx upon dt. X is given to you, a plus bt square. Now first you differentiate a, then you will differentiate bt square. Please revise the formulas of differentiation. A is constant. The differentiation of constant is 0. So here it is 0. The differentiation of A is 0 plus B. The differentiation of t square is equal to 2t. If you remember the formula, differentiation of quantity t raised to the power n. The formula is n t raised to the power n minus 1. Same t square, in place of n here is 2. 2 आगे आ जाएगा. 2 into t raised to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. The velocity is equal to 2bt. Now put t is equal to 0. You will get v is equal to 0. At t is equal to 2 seconds, then put the value of t is 2 into b has value 2.5 and t has 2. You will get the answer 10. Please message me Do you understand this numerical or not? Try all these examples. Till example number 10, I will send you the PDF form of this page. Thank you.